Tornado warning! First alert, WX-167. Right, so severe thunderstorm warning was issued for San Bernardino. Sadly, tried 95.1, which serves San Bernardino County, but I think I need to go outside to get a good glimpse of that. But yeah, that's gonna be it. Dang it, well, I got the end part. There'll be a severe thunderstorm warning for San Bernardino County, so yeah. But yeah, that's gonna be it. Flash flood warning for San Bernardino County, that should be coming in soon.
San Bernardino County in Southern California until 8:15 p.m. PDT. It's 5:21 p.m. PDT. Southward without indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the rural area. Between 1 and 1.5 considered rain at best. Possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard. Flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Apple Valley, Lucerne Valley, Lake Arrowhead, Highway 18 between Running Springs and Big Bear, Highway 18 between Baldwin Lake and Lucerne Valley, Highway 173 between Lake Arrowhead and Hesperia, Fonskin, Green Valley Lake and Cedar Glen.
That was caught on 90.1 FM, so I actually got a full alert this time, so that's really good news. But yeah, that's it. Something just happened. Let's see. Oh, debris flow.
Warning for the Apple and El Dorado burn scar in Riverside County in Southern California, San Bernardino County in Southern California until 8 p.m. PDT. At 6:11 p.m. PDT, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain over the Apple and El Dorado burn scar. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding in and around the Apple and El Dorado burn scar. Source, radar and automated gauges. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of areas in and around the Apple and El Dorado burn scar. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Yucaipa, Forest Falls, Mount San Gorgonio, Banning, Big Bear Lake, Highway 38 between Yucaipa and Onyx Summit, Seven Oaks, Angeles Oaks, Mountain Home Village, Highway 38 between Onyx Summit and Sugarloaf, Collie Mesa, Martin Flats Campground, Hard Bar Campground, Cherry Valley, Morongo Indian Reservation and Woodlands. Flash flood warning for the following counties in California, Riverside and San Bernardino. The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a flash flood warning for the Apple and El Dorado burn scar in Riverside County in Southern California, San Bernardino County in Southern California until 8 p.m. PDT. p.m. PDT. Doppler radar alarm rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain over the Appleton Eldorado burn scar. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the Ward area. Thunderstorms ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding in throughout the Appleton Eldorado burn scar. Source, radar elevated gauges. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of areas in and around the Appleton Eldorado burn scar. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include you guys are. Home Village, Highway 38 between Onyx Summit and Sugarloaf, Howell Mesa, Martin Flats Campground, Hard Park Campground, Cherry Valley, Morongo Indian Reservation, and Woodlands. Flood advisory for the following county.
Oh, trying to remember what it was. Well, that was a bit surprising. Why didn't this go off? And of course the WR100s don't go off. This did go off though, so that's good news. Alright, I just turned this on. I'm not too sure how long that's gonna last, but yeah, that's it. Flash flood warning. VF.
Flash flood warning for the following county: San Bernardino, California. The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Mojave County in northwestern Arizona, San Bernardino County in southern California, southeastern Clark County in southern Nevada until 8 p.m. Mountain Standard Time or 8 p.m. PDT. At 4:51 p.m. Mountain Standard Time or 4:51 p.m. PDT, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain developing around Bullhead City south to the Mojave Valley. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, creeks, normally dry washes and roads. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Bullhead City, Laughlin, Needles, Mesquite Creek,
Alright.
Mojave Valley.
Another
Mojave
flash
Ranch,
flood warning for San Bernardino.
Little Valley. Flash flood warning for the following county: San Bernardino, California. The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a flash flood warning for Inyo County in south central California, San Bernardino County in southern California, southwestern Lake County in south central Nevada until 8 p.m. PDT. At 4:53 p.m. PDT, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms continue to produce heavy rain across Inyo County, including the lower eastern slopes of the Sierra Nevada west of Lone Pine and all of Death Valley National Park. Flash flooding is ongoing along State Route 127 and Highway 190. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, creeks, normally dry washes and roads. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Stovepipe Wells, Furnace Creek, Olenja, Lone Pine, Independence, Shoshone, Big Pine, South Lake, Adamant Springs, Darwin, Texas Springs Campground, Mesquite Springs Campground, Keeler, Homewood Canyon Valley Wells, Scotty's Castle, Cartago, EAS Lake, Porto Lake Campground, Turtle Creek Campground, and Whitney Porto Campground.
Alright, quiet, I'm filming a video. Yeah, I know.
Right now. Third FFW.
Flash flood warning for the following county: San Bernardino, California. The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern San Bernardino County in southern California until 8 p.m. PDT. At 4:57 p.m. PDT, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms continue to produce heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing across San Bernardino County, particularly through the Mojave National Preserve. All roadways are currently closed. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of low-water crossings, creeks, normally dry washes and roads. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Fort Irwin, Kelso, Baker, Mitchell Cavern, Seymour, Daggett, Meadows Campground, Ludlow, Hole in the Wall Campground, Black Canyon Equestrian Campground, Amboy, Aspen Canyon Campground, Mountain Pass, Nipton and Evanto Roads, Essex, Nipton, Dumont Dunes, SR 127 near Dumont Dunes, Dewberry Springs, and Takapa.
Another one for San Bernardino. And that flash flood warning is going to expire. Now VF is expiring all the flash flood warnings, so that should probably be the end of that. But yeah, still all my weather radios are on in case San Diego.
I think we're gonna get slammed with more.
Yeah, on Monday it's gonna happen. Oh goodness, another flash flood warning expired for Lincoln, Nevada. Flood advisory LA, LOX, 451, heavy rainfall. Let's check this out.
Yeah, 89.3 will relay Los Angeles alerts.
Okay.
Just letting you know.
Cool. Let's see. Widespread thunderstorm activity continues to pose a flash.
Well.
Alright, anyways. Widespread thunderstorm activity continues to pose a flash flood risk over the next 3 to 4 hours. Widespread low-level stabilization should allow a gradual decrease in convective coverage through sunset, however.
I swear, if VF issues a freaking flash flood emergency...
Holy crap, that would be amazing! Jeez, just imagine my first ever flash flood emergency.
You'll know from my end if it's a flash flood emergency.
Jeez. Wow. Okay. Wow, that would just be great if I get a flash flood emergency. I got a PDS SVA before in Minnesota.
I caught an SVA, but not a PDS one.
Yeah. Yeah. Stay tuned for more alerts if they come. But yeah, that's it.
Life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Highway 79 between Warner Springs and Oak Grove, beginning at Chiguila Indian Reservation. Flash flood warning for the following counties in California, Riverside, and San Diego. The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a flash flood warning for Riverside County in Southern California, Northern San Diego County in Southwestern California.
Well, the weather alerts continue today. While I was just playing Minecraft and doing some other stuff. Well, day 3 of the San Bernardino rain event, I guess, is on. And I already missed a VEF alert for San Bernardino, so... Well, I guess this will start the event. Guess it's time to load up IEM Bot and get some alerts. Stay tuned for more content.